Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I'm now in Berlin and I'm here for work, and it's the first time that I stay at this hotel, the JW Marriott Hotel in Berlin. It's a huge conference that I'm attending, so the hotel is fully booked, and this is the best room they can give it to me. So I'm going to give you a very quick room tour because there's nothing much. It's a standard classic king bedroom. So when I walk in, they do have the hair dryer, the bathrobes, the slipper, the safe deposit box, okay, and then one place for one piece of luggage. And then on my right is the bathroom, so single sink, the toilet, and then the bathtub with the shower head, and this is the amenities. So those are the towels. So it's first take, what you see is what I got, and then they have a wardrobe here with the iron and iron board. I just put in my jacket here, and more shelf space. Actually, when I check in, they give me a lower floor, but it is really not what I like, so I request a room change, and they are fully booked, but they are giving me on the 5th floor, which is kind of their last room. They say that it may be available, but anyway, it's a classic room, no upgrade, no nothing, and actually I think is not what I expect. I expect it to be a little bit bigger and better, a little bit more modern, but anyway, a room is a room. I'm here for business. So they do have the water. They have an empty fridge, okay, and they have the coffee machine. I need to figure out how to work, and a kettle. Okay, because our capsule is not like in square size. This is cute. Okay, and then the work desk here, then I can do some work, and then the television here, and then 2 chairs, and then the king size bed. No matter what, it's still, thick mattress, nice linen, and this is kind of the view, more open view. This is why I need to change the room, because the room they give it to me in the beginning on the 5th floor, is kind of very close to the ceiling or the top of the next building, so a little bit phobia for me. So anyway, so now on the 5th floor. By the way, because I'm the Platinum Elite member, they do have the club lounge, okay, that I will have the breakfast, the afternoon tea, and the evening cocktail and such. The swimming pool is closed for now, but then the gym is open. I will see if I can check it out, but again, as I say, I'm here for business, so I'm just zooming in to look at executive lounge. I can have breakfast there in the morning, soft drinks and coffee available throughout the day until very late at night. Happy hour between 5 to 9 p.m. buffet till 8 p.m. So tonight I have booked a very nice Michelin restaurant, so I'm not going to check it out, but I'm here for 3 nights, so I'll definitely check it out tomorrow night or the day after, so you will be able to see what items they have for breakfast and for the happy hour and such at the club lounge of JW Marriott in Berlin. Okay, so getting ready for work starting tomorrow, and here we go.